Larry from Westview has termite trouble.
Oh, boy, he just had a pest inspection, Tom, and the results are in. Larry writes, they told me that we had dry wood termites in the house, and it seems, though, to be isolated in just a door jamb area, but probably not conclusive just yet. So, Tom, Larry wants to know, how can these be treated?
Actually, it probably isn't just a door jamb. That's how these termites, they're different than the ones that travel underground, the ones that we're so used to here in Houston. So the best way to do it and the cheapest way, short of tenting the entire home like that. I remember those days in Florida. That's how I'm so familiar with it. It was kind of weird, but people would go in those tents to try to rob, and they would find dead people inside. And there were a lot of people weren't sure what the tent was for.
I have a lot of family and law enforcement. They will tell you there is no intelligence test to be a criminal.
Yeah, no kidding. Anyway, I think just changing the door jamb or the door itself, the whole unit, buying a new one is going to be cheaper. You get a new door out of it, and it's going to be a lot easier, and chances are it's just in that wood because they're very small colonies.
There you go. And there's a very small colony of people around here helping put all these together and answer the questions you send us at HomeShowRadio.com. Send them to us. You'll see answers in these other videos here, and we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel. Keep us working.